Thank you so much for tuning in. It is your best friend in stocks, options, and dividends. It's Bart coming to you recorded live from the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. This day is Thursday, and it's about 9 minutes until the bell tolls. Ting a ding ding ding. But where are we at? So we're about $55,000 down over the last 2 days. So we're way downtown to Chinatown. We are expecting a pullback in gold, in the silver, and we're getting a pullback in all of my four sweethearts: gold, silver, oil, and Bitcoin. Let's see where Bitcoin is right now. I know it was down almost 2%. It is currently down 1.71%. So are we concerned? No, not at the moment. Would we rather see it go up? Yes. Will you continue to ask yourself questions? I will. So that's where we're at right here. Where are we at on Devon? Because we did. Oh boy. There you go again. Missed another opportunity. Was looking for $49 to sell covered calls. Got it again today, and then slept on it. Because Devon is going down since then, so missed that opportunity. We'll keep fighting the good fight. Mostly red. The only thing green right there is a S&P 500 inverse ETF. So when S&P 500 goes down, that inverse, goes up. So yeah, every other single position is red today. Let's take a look at the silver. That's gold. Let's go to gold. Let's go right to gold. Then we'll go look at the silver chart we created yesterday and the Bitcoin chart we created the day before. So here's what we got on gold. This is prediction time, right? Magic 8 ball, shake it up. So I think we're in the middle of a 5-wave impulsive move, which is bullish, okay? Because we've got, can count 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, and then now we're on that 4th wave down. Now, here's the key. We need to hold 24.15, below 24.15. Then we might have to recount the waves to see where the mistake was made. As far as, I shouldn't say mistake, it's all based on probabilities. So based on the size of these movements, you can identify them as 1, 2, 3, 4s. It could be ABCs in a corrective pullback. So all those things are important as far as the length of the waves. Right now, we're in a perfectly set up 5 waves, which the 5th wave, now again, we need to hold 24.15-ish. This isn't an exact science. It's not even a science. It's pseudo. And then we need to take out the 24.84. So we need to take out the 24.84 to validate the fact that we are finishing the 5 waves up. After the 5 waves go up, and it should go up to as high as probably 25, maybe even a few dollar bills higher. Once that occurs, then we should be looking for a clearly measured ABC correction. A down, B up, C down even further, and then start another 5-wave rally to the north. That is what we're sticking to at this very moment. So we'll leave this up here just like we've left the other charts up to see how and why and if these types of technical analysis come true right before our very eyes. Let's go to silver, because silver is knocking on the door of taking us lower. So as we talked about yesterday, we need to hold $30. Below 30 opens the probability, keyword probability, of even lower to 28.50, between 29 and 28.50 on the way down. So right now you see we're through that. We've broken through the $30, but again, it could head up right between now and the 5 minutes before close, or continue to settle in at the 30 or just above 30 before the trading is done today. But we watching that, because right now what it's showing us is that downward pressure is still very much in play until we have to take out 3180 to show that we are then back to bullish, because right now we're showing more probability of a bearish continuation for at least through tomorrow. But as I said, before trading ends today, it could bounce right back up and back up, be above at or above that $30. So we'll keep an eye on that. What else we got? We got that crypto. We got that Bitcoin still up from a few days ago when we put it up, and here we go. We were looking initially to make sure we held 59,000. We did that beautifully. We moved our hold line up all the way to 62.3. Now, this is basically the bullish trend is what we're looking to continue. So right now, we need to hold that 62,300, and it is right now, as you know, retreating and trying to make its way towards that number. So we want to hold 62.3 and then make that bounce north to a minimum of 67,000. That is what we're looking at on those three sweethearts. And I'll probably get an oil chart up for tomorrow. Then we'll have at least a basis for all my four horsemen, the Fab Four, whatever we want to call them: gold, silver, oil, and the Bitcoin. So that is what we're looking at. Hey, look, we got a little tail up here at the end. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for tuning in. Just a short update. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend. And you know what I'll do. See you in the next video.